bago matapos yung aming very relaxing na weekend sa The Greenery, Oriental food muna tayo. Marami sa ating mga taga-Angeles City yung very familiar sa restaurant na to. Kasi nung bata pa ako, pag merong sosyalan na reception ng kasal, binyag, or debut, isa sa pinakamadalas na venue ay yung Fortune Hongkong Seafood Restaurant. At meron silang branch dito sa loob ng The Greenery. Malaki rin yung function hall niyan, so pwede rin siyang maging venue ng mga events nyo. We're starting off with this Fortune Seafood Soup. Meron niyang spinach and chunks of seafood. And usually, hindi ako mahilig sa thick soup, pero this one was really good. It's like a warm hug in a bowl and we really liked it. After that, ito yung tinatawag nilang birthday noodles. So essentially, it's a very saucy na pansit na hindi tinipid sa sangkap. Malasang-malasa siya, pwede mo pang ang ulamin. We're having their signature yang chow fried rice with chunks of ham, vegetables, and seafood. At itong breaded prawns and Thai sauce. That's a sticky, sweet, and sour sauce that's really packed with flavor. Ito yung mga pinakamadalas kong orderin sa Fortune. This next one is Angus beef with garlic. The beef is very tender, although it's just a little bit on the salty side for me. And to kind of balance that out, we're having their mango and watermelon shake. Ito naman yung salt and pepper spare ribs. It's crunchy on the outside but tender on the inside, tapos bagay na bagay doon sa vinegar-based na dipping sauce. And lastly, meron tayo nitong almond lychee, and this is a must-try. And in fairness sa Fortune, talagang walang kupas magmula noon hanggang ngayon, kaya favorite to ng marami sa atin.